This one. Thank you. The name is Eric.
What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Been using my Canon camera for 2 years and only last week I finally upgraded the firmware because people noticed some weird things that kept on happening in my image. In today's video I'll explain why upgrading the firmware on your Canon camera is so important, and I will also outline the simple process on how to perform the upgrade so you never miss out on new features and performance improvements. So first things first, what is firmware? Firmware is basically the software that runs on your camera and controls its functions. It's kind of like the Mac iOS on your iPhone or the operating system on your computer. Just like a computer, your camera's firmware can be updated to fix issues, add new features, and improve performance. Kind of like in the Matrix movie where you just tap into like a server of information and then all of a sudden you know how to fly like a helicopter or something. So in this example of my Canon camera, the new firmware introduces new codecs, fixes errors, and makes the general user experience a lot better. So let me tell you how you can upgrade it within a few minutes. So first things first, grab your computer and visit the Canon website to download the latest firmware version for your camera. Follow the link below and select your camera model, then download the file. You gotta extract it first to get to the actual firmware file that ends with .fir. Next, you gotta grab a memory card which is bigger than 64 gigabytes, then plug it into your device and format the card within your camera. In the next step, you wanna connect the memory card with the computer and drop the file we just downloaded on the card. And lastly, let's reinsert the memory card back into your camera, and then I go to the menu, select this little wrench icon, move to the bottom where it says firmware, click on it, and then the camera will ask you if you want to upgrade it. So I click OK, and then I select the new firmware file, and now I want to make sure I don't switch off my camera or start the upgrade on an almost empty battery, as the camera could be damaged otherwise if this process is interrupted somehow. Now this will take a couple of minutes, so you can grab a coffee or call your grandmother or whatever, and after only a few minutes I'm done, and I got a camera that got the latest information downloaded straight from the Matrix. This is such a good feeling as my device feels very fresh and ready for a new round of shooting photos and videos. Please leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and if you want to stay up to speed with my channel where I discuss travel, photo and filmmaking, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.